Il y a un petit champ de vision en intérieur. Coucou, on est là.
J'ai fait mon premier vol
En FPV. Ça rigole pas.
Used to be so happy, but without you here, I feel so low. Cause once upon a time, you were my everything. It's clear to see that time hasn't changed a thing. It's very deep inside me, but I feel there's something you should know.